Okay guys, so I just walked in my dad's room and it's a fucking bird. What do I do? Does anyone know what to do? There's just like this bird here, he's scared. I think he's hurt himself. Oh, he's moving. Listen, buddy, chill. Calm down, okay? I don't want to hurt you. We're mates. Calm. Okay, calm down. Calm down, don't want to hurt you, mate. Chill. Oh, bloody hell. What have you done there, mate? I think you've hurt yourself. You need to stay there. Stay there, alright? I'm gonna help you now. Alright? Stay there. Literally, I'm just like playing on my computer. This fucking bird just like runs into my dad's room. I don't know what the fuck to do, guys. I genuinely don't know what to do. I'm kind of freaking out, like high key right now. Kind of nervous. I don't know, I think I'll use this big plate. I'll be using that. And hopefully he can just like scoop him up on it and like he can go and do bird stuff, but I don't know. Alright mate, I'm back. Are you still there? Now listen. Shh. You go. I'm gonna scoop you up. Okay. Shh. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming. Okay, he's okay, but he's like moving. Oh, he's moving. He's going on the stairs, he's right there. Right, so I'm going to close all these doors because I don't want him to go back in that room. Sorry Dad, I'm just going to have to knock some of your shit on the floor. Right. All three of the doors closed. Hey! What are you doing? Move. I see you. What are you doing? No! Oh no, buddy! You alive? You okay? Okay, I'm gonna open up this door. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay, I'm closing more and more doors. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm also going to move that plant pot. And hopefully that will spook him enough. He will go the right way. Okay, buddy. Okay. Listen, I'm going to move this. I'm going to move it. That way. Go that way. Right, I'm going to approach you very slowly. I'll approach you from this side. I'm going to keep moving this. Okay. Shh. It's okay. Calm down, buddy. Shh. Oh, sorry, I almost got you in the eye there. Shh. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, okay, I need you to slow down. I'm going to touch your tummy. Okay, I'm going to touch your tummy. Okay, buddy. I'm going to try and move you again, okay? And hopefully you trust me a bit now. Okay, so I managed to pick him up. He actually trusted me enough to let me pick him up, and he's kind of just like sitting in the corner now. Okay then, mate? You right? You right? Look at him, he's actually losing it, man. I'll touch you again. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go for some more broad strokes. Oh, there we go, mate. There we go. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come on. I'm going to stop filming. I think the phone is making him scared. I'll give you guys an update in a bit. I've actually got him sitting in my hand now. This is insane, man. I don't know what to do. You okay, Toadbird? You okay? Oh, I think he's done something to himself. Oh, mate. Okay, so I just shown this little girl and her dad, Toadbird. He's coming along with me now. I've got my keys and we're going to the vets that's just down the road. Alright, mate? So they got Toby at the vets now. They're looking at him. He didn't seem to be anything broken, but he is still in shock apparently. So Toby's going to stay there for a bit. And they're going to have a look, see if he needs to go to like the RSPBA. If he does, then they got my mobile number, they can give me a ring. But yeah, that's my Saturday basically. I just was watching YouTube and I've rescued a bird. So yeah, it's been a pretty productive day so far. If you actually watched all that, I was kind of nervous, and videoing the whole process kind of made it easier. Yeah, I'm literally just going home now. I'll give you guys an update later on what happens. If anything happens at all, it might just be like thrown back out there and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks guys. It's a really terrifying experience.